We appreciate y'all. This y'all first time playing this season. Texas $20. You gotta be paid before you re-enter the game. Another tech, it's $30. It's gonna keep going up $10 until you start wanting to pay us. Respect the refs, please. Play ball, that's what y'all here to do. They here to ref. Respect the judge. Like minimum shit. Basketball. S&B. You get suspended a game for that shit. When they cause a riot. Please.
Flawlezz. Yeah. First possession of Shane, that's a bugger right there. Lay up, count it, and we go. Welcome to the party. Clean up our three. Clean up our three. $2 for $1. Why not? What you waiting for? Stripped up? Leaky. I'm all right. Top of the ceiling, top of the roof. He's here. Leaky roof. You probably would put about 25, 30 next to that name. They beat y'all about, no, not them, but y'all lost about 30 last week. I gotta change that. My man Kawhi from the left up. Open on the shot, I'll be off your running. Yeah, we can right side, he said, I don't need no screen. Dumps it down, and Kawhi Leonard from the neck up, after turnover. Now we working Flawlezz. Fresh out of that, you see Coach out here. Leaky, roof, mid-range, county. I guess, you know, the Roy Wilkins, that's when they're not nervous. Shane. Kicks the screen. Sharing is caring. I know how your vibe go already. Throw it back in there, you follow your shot. Right here. If they get 2 more baskets, you're going to need a CONVERSAT. Mid-range, mid-range, count it. Turnover, women, children, kids, spin cycle, washing machine, have a good night, drop it off. That's what Feeling tall, he played ball, Court Kings captain, and I like the matchup too, take this out. Y'all know each other, screen, 2 points, TD Bank, open 7 days. He wrote that, he got go right in his Birkin. It's like 7 years ago, we got he there. OBL, that was him. Queens, that was him. Flushing, that is him. Trust me. Mikey Jordan, shooting air ball, reverse layup. That's an air ball. Yup. They said, call him this, get in his bag, welcome to Queens. If you don't know who that is, you got the front end, the captain is here. Justice, he took one over. Fastlane, 3 ball for the captain, I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to tell you about the captain. Now you can get in your bag. Look at him. See him, food, vegetables. See him, food, vegetables. Spin cycle, looks at him, bucket, TD Bank, open 7 days, welcome to Flawlezz. Fastlane, how you want to work? Oh my God, if you would have went to camp, that's a bucket. Leaky, roof, ceiling, drop off, lay up, you might get a conversation. You gotta show me something too. This can go upstairs, be careful. One out of 2, look who's going right back to. Leaky roof looks at it. 2 point bucket counted. Kawhi Leonard from the neck up. You got the contract, and you got to work. You went from just hoop first, now you walk with the first time. Biggie, 7 seconds, get his back right there. That's a baby. ACS open on Sundays. Reverse, 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 reverse. anybody that's in the building, 27-19 is your score. And for that bag, this goes to all banners. Leaky, 3 ball, other side with it. Got time to get back in the game. That's his man too. 29, if he dies, he dies. If he stripped up, ripped up, Flawlezz for the echo, then he goes. Then you want to transition and we can learn how to Dead Farms approaching. Be like chess, expands the cage. Days when he was a diamond. On front row, back row, not that time. 27-25 is the score. Go to the penthouse. We got a reservation. We got a reservation at the rooftop. Let's say, upstairs. Anybody see it on the leak when they got roof in the building? Put a pocket. Can you match it? Ring the alarm. Why not? Why not? Spin cycle. Oh, I told you spin cycle. Be careful. That was a big crushing. Big queen. Bring me on. Bring me on. Upstairs. Jesus Christ. If there's a leak in your roof, 15 seconds. Hey, Jax. 12 seconds. We're going to work it, right? 12 seconds. 6 seconds. How do you work? You can go upstairs right now for a drink. Seconds on the shot clock, corner box. Was that a lead group? One more? Just tab it off. Leaky roof in the corner pocket, ring the alarm. In and out like a bad relationship. Look, I hear how you gonna work. It's a Queen's thing. It's a Queen's vibe with a red team. Right at it. Flawlezz. Leaky roof.
Good pass.
I didn't even look at that. None of that. Trust me. It's gonna be different here today. Week 2, cups it, looks at it, mid-range, count it, put it in the books for her. Down on that YouTube live. 808, 4330 is the score. I'll dance with you right here. Ring me along.
Shoot with fucking confidence.
Yeah, I like that matchup right there. Let me talking to him. I like this matchup right here. You him, you want to he said you want the pop. Left side, queen side. So I like
Hey! That's continuation, ref.
Now we in transition. Go to the
It's not, bro.
You know? No, another sound, not dying. You're not doing no tennis song. Welcome to Queens. Welcome to Queens. Drop off. Welcome to the party.
Yo, you looking like a point guard out there, Sean. Looking like a point guard, Sean.
51-33 is your score. Late, huh? Why not? Milk and cookies for rookies, coffees, and donuts for grown-ups. You do that? Why not? Now we got pro and basketball. Now we got the carry over on the double racetrack. Exit 13, exit 14, JJ, prime time, bucket. There, you paid your money. You better not leave you one step. It's a flawless thing. Welcome to Queens. Do me a favor. Next two teams get dressed right now. Justin, Joseph, prime time for two. Welcome to Queens. That's how you got the rebound. There go Ty. Now. Jesus Christ! Yo! That had been 5,000 views. Turnover. Give it to Justin. Justin, you're not dunking. Just give me a layup. So that's what he does. No, that's how it works. No, listen to me. Now listen to me. Just like that. Anybody's fundamentals different. Leaky Roof, welcome to Queen, Promenade, spin cycle, OBL crossover, looks at it, side step, 3-4, bring me along, bro. Turn it around, this shot. Spin cycle again, upstairs.
Hey!
Oh my God! That's a 3-ball. That's a 3-ball. In and out, bad relationship. And he goes, that was almost a poster. Now you can get you a buck, you get in the boat. Drop it off, welcome to Leaky Roof, Promenade. I mean, a lot of people don't take that much route. Lower long to ring. Jazzy here now. It's an exit 13 thing, trust me. Bring it on. Bring it on. One foot. Final period. Team Legacy, get ready. GD, get ready. I tell you, nobody get ready. Bring me along.
What's up, son?
We might have work for you. You and Leaky Roof, why not take the assignment? Scream, sharing is caring, and we all went to kindergarten. Ring me along.
That's a good shot right there.
Ty, you out here bugging. Speaking of bugging. Now it's a turnover. You went to the penthouse. And let her jelly. 13-point ball game. 65-52.
Go right at him, Ty.
He got the whole world in his hands. Ring me along.
Ooh, let's go, Ty.
Use the screen.
Front rim, by him. Oh, I remember you. I know how you were. No, I remember. I don't know what you're waiting for, though. You're waiting for us. It's Sunday. Prime time. Justin, back to the topic. He to his running mate. Mid-range, you gotta make that. Sub. Why not? Dance. Shake. Bob. Spin cycle. Wash machine. Bob. Spin cycle. Wash machine.
Hey!
There you go. I remember. They don't. I remember. Bring me along. In and out like a bad relationship. It's time for a new girlfriend. You keep your head up like Tupac. Bob. Bring me along.
Give me 3 shots.
Position
Well, we can leave it. We can stop it.
Get a picture from Heroes.
That's it. May I have this?
Okay, Sean.
We not stopping the clock. Prime time, Jay. Bring it on.
The other ones are.
Be careful. We don't got no health insurance for you. Front rim. Why not? Spin cycle. Get it in the books. Get a look at your catalog. Oh my God. Smokey Robinson is in the building. Oh my God. Run the bill up. Run the bill up. Justin, you ain't dunked since St. Mary's.
Turn around.
You know he wasn't going up there. That's my man. That's a bucket though. Huh? Trust me when you believe in dreams. JJ, prime time. Where's the big love? There you go. How much you got? 20, 25, 30, 40, 40 cheeks. Clap on.
He's making up for last week.
Ball we play next Saturday anyway. 3 ball. You can ring the alarm. You got new girlfriend. Boss, give me spin cycle circuit button. Analog, corner pocket, prime time J. Welcome to Queens. $112. He goes just like the R&B group. There he goes. And
I asked for 10 assists.
whatever your girlfriend said,
Not me to wild out.
tell her I said I'm sorry. If you came in here acting real bad, I don't know what she typed on Instagram. 2 seconds, don't do it, Slim, tell him again. Bring me up, all right. I seen you last week. Nobody get hurt, they said the team flawless. Now give it to me. Are you sure? Give it to me.